what is this device? Okay, let me quickly turn it on. Once it is turned on, it will basically flash the Bluetooth symbol in blue unless we connect it, and this is the slicker version of our earlier navigation indicator device. And yes, it automatically shows the left-right turns, the U-turns, and some custom symbols. The left and right turns and the U-turns can be managed automatically. That means if you use Google Maps for navigation, our app can read the notification and it can automatically turn on the indicators. Yeah, that's right. And I'll put a link where I have demonstrated it live. Now let's see the Slick device very quickly. So it's flashing the Bluetooth symbol, and let me connect it. And let me open our app. And the app download link will be in the description too. And we can click on Show Devices to list all the paired Bluetooth devices. Now it is asking Bluetooth is off. So you want to turn on Allow. So Bluetooth is turned on now. I can click on Show Devices again. And this particular device, I have named it as Nav Slick, and I have paired it. Just tap on that. The MAC ID of that particular Bluetooth device will be taken in this particular text field, and just click on Connect. Once this is connected, the flashing blue light will go. That means it is connected, and of course there is a message Bluetooth is connected here. Now let's click on Proceed. And here is the simplistic UI which you have might seen already. And if I wanted to turn on the right indicator, here I go. And if I need the left indicator, I can turn that on too. This is the right U-turn. This is the left U-turn. And I can turn off just by tapping on that. And if I wanted to give sideways the behind vehicle, so I can click on that. I am allowing that to pass on. And I can turn that off. And if I do not want to give pass, I can just ask not to pass or overtake. And it also has a parking symbol too. And if I start this auto mode here, this app automatically can read the notification from Google Maps, and it can show the indicators automatically without even touching those buttons. I can just simply put home and I can use Google Maps. And I'll be putting the link where I have demonstrated it live. And that is it. Isn't this really cool? A sleek navigation device which fits into your pocket, and it's rechargeable. You can take it anywhere. That is it for this video. Let's catch up in some next amazing topics.